Hey everyone, I'm Irene. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about this hair growth oil that I couldn't wait to try. If you haven't seen my previous video where I talk about henna, where I try henna on my hair for the first time, or if you don't know anything about Ayurveda, make sure you check out my previous video because I go into detail about what Ayurveda is and the benefits of it and things like that. So this whole video was pretty much inspired by this girl on YouTube. Her name is Takia Bennett. She's dope. I recommend you check her out. A couple weeks ago, she started a hair growth challenge where she got this recipe from another girl on YouTube. Her name is Proverbz. She has a whole bunch of videos on her channel dedicated to henna and Ayurvedic herbs and things like that. Her hair is beautiful. So if you have any questions, I would go see her videos as well. She made this hair growth oil, and people were saying how they've seen so much growth and their hair has gotten thicker and stronger and just better overall. But Takia, she switched out some ingredients that didn't really agree with her, and like coconut oil, that's something that my hair doesn't really like anymore. I don't really use it on my hair that much. So she switched it out for other oils. So I was taking hair growth vitamins a couple months ago. I was taking the liquid vitamins from Curls, but I stopped it completely because I specifically wanted to see how this growth oil was going to work for me, and I didn't want to alter the results. I just wanted to see if this would make my hair grow on its own. So I'm going to show you how I make this oil, and I'm going to tell you all the benefits of everything that I'm putting in it. I plan on using this on my scalp like every other day, 3-4 times a week kind of thing. Make sure to massage it in and all that. I would say before putting it all in your scalp, I would recommend testing it out in a little section of your head or on your skin somewhere to make sure you're not allergic to anything. Yeah, be mindful of that. And the herbs and the oils have to sit for a couple weeks or a couple days so that everything can infuse and everything can be nice and potent and make your hair grow. And I know you want to whip it up and put it in your hair 1, 2, 3, but it kind of has to sit for a couple days so everything can marinate. So yeah, if you guys have any questions that I haven't answered in this video, or if you have tried this hair growth oil yourself, I would love to hear your results. So yeah, enough talking. Let's finally get into the video. So you guys can probably tell by now that I filmed that intro like months ago, like the beginning of the year. And then it didn't really make sense to upload it because I knew I was going to get my hair cut, and there was no point in starting like a hair growth journey and like measuring my hair and all that when I knew it was going to get cut off anyway. So now that my hair is healthy, I'm not getting it cut anytime soon. That's why I wanted to start this growth oil now in August 2018. Everything still applies. The only difference is that I'm probably not going to oil my scalp 3 to 4 times a week. Like, my scalp just doesn't need that much oil. So I'm pretty much just going to do it as needed, maybe in the top of the week and at the end of the week, and give myself, you know, scalp massages and all that. Oh, I wash my hair every week. So I usually co-wash 1 week and then shampoo the next week. And the days that I shampoo, I usually do a hot oil treatment, and I think I'm going to use this oil as my hot oil treatment as well, and I'm going to be using it on my scalp, and we'll just see how things go. I'm just gonna do like a informal length check. This is hard. I'd say 7.5 on my left side. It's like 8. What is that? My hair is layered, so the top is 10, the front is I want to say like 7.5. Oh, well, almost 8. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll probably come back when the bottle is done, I guess. I don't know. 2 months? We'll see. I don't know. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.